Today we will see classification of expense of non-trading concern, capital expenses. Expenses which is not incurred regularly and the benefit which is available to the concern for a longer period. Land, building, investments, books for library, X-ray machines, sports equipment, etc. Capital expenses is disclosed at the asset side of the balance sheet. Here capital expenses are the expenses which are incurred once, but its benefits we are getting for the longer time. Installation expenses of assets, its stamp fees, documents expense, expense incurred to increase the efficiency of assets are also capital expense, which are added to the cost of the respective asset. Here for example, if we have purchased the land, so whatever expenses we have done on documents of the particular land, so that expenses are included in the cost of the land. Revenue expenses. Expenses which is incurred on regular basis to run a routine activity. Example, daily administrative expenses like salary of employee, rent, taxes, postage expenses, telephone expense, stationery printing expenses, etc. These are the expenses which are regular in nature. Deferred revenue expenses. The benefits of revenue expenses is that respective year in which it is paid. Means for revenue expense, in which year we have paid, we get benefit in that particular year only. But there are certain expense for which the benefit is available in a certain subsequent year along with the year in which they are paid. Means we are getting benefit in the particular year also, and we are getting it benefit in next year and after that also. The good example of deferred revenue expense is advertisement. This expense is known as spread expense or deferred revenue expense. Example, building color work, advertisement expense, etc. Accounts written off is disclosed at the debit side of the income and expenditure account, and the portion which is written off is disclosed on the asset side of balance sheet.